Connect fingertip clips of the glove. Align and secure the Velcro. Complete the glove installation. Repeat the same steps for the other glove. Remove glove batteries and follow the steps shown. Next, connect glove to upper limb. Remove screws on both sides of the wrist joint. Insert the wrist joint into the glove slot. Reinsert screws on both sides. Connect the USB cable as shown. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Before use, check power bank on the back, glove battery level, and power cable connections. After confirmation, wear it as a backpack. Connect the chest buckle and tighten the waist strap. After wearing, check shoulder, elbow, and arm joints. Ensure the arrow mark on the wrist faces forward. Position 3 finger widths away from the wrist. Secure the wrist strap. Power on the device and connect to the host computer. For left glove, select TTY USB 0. Wait for vibration calibration. Real-time data on screen indicates successful connection. For right glove, select TTY USB 1. For exoskeleton, select TTY CMO. For more details, please visit www.dex-robot.com.